The enemy commanders think themselves safe from the Emperor's wrath behind kilometers of fortifications and legions of warriors. They did not account for us. Make your peace with the Emperor, men. We drop in 2 minutes.
The Elysian Drop Troops are a regiment of the Astra Militarum serving during the 41st millennium. Recruited from the viridescent and lush world of Elysia, it is a rare sight for any regiment of the Imperium's war machine to field aerial assault infantry, especially for an entire regiment. Prized by all branches of the Imperial Guard, the Elysian Drop Troops have earned a reputation as invaluable additions to any ongoing campaign. Each member of the regiment a volunteer of their homeworld. Each aspirant to become a drop trooper must endure 1 year of service within the Elysian Planetary Defense Force before acceptance. Trained at several facilities within the Elysia system, each candidate must exhaustively drill and practice the use of grav shoots, sharpshooting, high-orbit insertion maneuvers, survival techniques, hazardous environments, and airborne warfare training. Taught not to waste a single shot when in combat, each drop trooper expects not to receive resupply for as many as solar weeks when on active duty, and are required to be supremely efficient in their fuel consumption. None are permitted to enter combat duties until achieving expert marksman certification during training, and as such, the pedigree of the regiment's ability to use lasguns and autoguns is legendary. The Elysian system, rife with bands of human and Eldar pirates, raids conducted by such renegades keep each warrior's skill sharp as they patrol trade routes through asteroid fields and dense gas clouds. Surrounded by feral worlds and barren moons capable of harboring renegades, the rampant lawlessness in proximity to Elysia proves beneficial in molding its soldiers into capable and versatile warriors. Experts of ship-to-ship boarding actions, whether fighting in the void of space or on the surface of distant worlds, the Elysian Drop Troops' unorthodox tactics confound even the most veteran enemy combatants. Dispatched primarily to the Margin Crusade and Spinwood Front within the Calixus sector, such unique specialists are often held in reserve to turn the tide of battle, whilst more typical regiments must endure and hold the battle lines. Revered for their actions in cleansing the frontier world of Calth, of Drukhari raiders and sabotaging the greenskins besetting the shipyards of Sickle, within the Spinwood Forward alone, the Elysian skills have proven the envy of many of their peers. Deep striking into the thick of enemy positions and wreaking havoc with their array of armaments, no other rapid response human infantry divisions can match the efficiency and speed of the Elysians. Armed with Mark IV Akatran pattern lasguns and Mark XII carapace armor, the standard service equipment of these drop troops, when compared with other branches of the Imperium, such as the Emperor's Holy Inquisition, is considered a symbol of status and immense wealth. Their homeworld's excessive affluence allowing for widespread adoption of cutting-edge equipment, Elysia spares no expense in outfitting its warriors with tailor-made and molded armor, incorporating armorplast, ceramite, and other materials. Capable of shrugging off small arms fire despite its protective qualities, the application of such protection must be sparing in order to prevent its use from interfering with their mobility, and are easily replaceable should any piece be lost or damaged. Their bespoke Type 5 pressure helmets, incorporating built-in respirators and low oxygen breathing systems, such devices allow for drop troops to breathe within the vacuum of space and within the miasmas of toxic worlds. Enhancing their vision with photo visors, each soldier can operate during night or day, even within atmospheres where the gleam of sunlight can be blinding to the naked eye. Their Mark IV combat backpacks, containing vital air supplies, communication equipment, ration supplies and water, each and every drop trooper carries their survival on their back, as much as within the firm grip of their rifles. Deployed in squads of 10 troopers led by a sergeant, one soldier within each squad is permitted to carry special weaponry to assist their operations. Such weapons include Akatran patterns of mortars, heavy bolters, missile launchers, melter guns, plasma guns, sniper lasguns, and promethium flamers. inserting into war zones via Valkyrie assault aircraft. The objective of every squad is to sow pandemonium within their opposition's ranks, and are supported on the ground only by Sentinel Walkers, Cyclops demolition vehicles, sentry gun batteries, and Tauros rapid assault vehicles. Seizing objectives with incredible speed, though exceptionally capable specialists, no true battle can be won with the intervention of the Elysians alone, and so it is the duty of their comrades of other regiments to face heavier enemy resistance and hold reclaimed positions. Alike to a surgical scalpel, rather than a sledgehammer, the Elysian drop troopers work well with the Aeronautica Imperialis branch of the Imperial Navy by supporting their heavy armor divisions. Their champion strength, that of unmatchable tactical flexibility, each fallen son and daughter of Elysia is remembered for their service and a great loss to the Imperium's war effort.